Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to draw the ASM chart for this given state diagram. Here we can see we have three states A, B and C, and we have two inputs. By looking at this you can see when we have this 0, 1, 1, 0, it means we have two inputs and whatever the values instead of this A/1, the 1 in the bottom, it's the output. These are the outputs. So we have two inputs. It's a binary case. So we had to consider like X and Y. Okay. Now let's go ahead and start. We have three states A, B, C. Let's draw them first in a state box. A, B and C. This is A, this is B, and this is A, this is B, and this is C. Now for the A, we can see the output is 1, so we put Z is equal to 1, and since we have two inputs, we have to put X and Y right here, and the decision box is going to be different. And also first we have to know whether this is a mealy state or more state. How do we identify mealy state or more state? If it's a mealy state, it will come with like a slash, 0/0 or 1/1, something like this. But if it's a more state, it will be like 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, something like that. So here you can see this is more because it comma. The difference between mealy and more is if it's mealy and the output, this is our output, if it's greater than 0, we have to put a conditional box. But for more, we don't have to worry about this one at all. Since we are dealing with more, we can just forget the conditional box and connect them directly. Okay, now let's go ahead and continue here. Since we have two inputs, we have to make a decision box like this. First we have X. X can be 0 and X can be 1. But when X is 0, Y can be 0 and Y can be 1. This is Y can be 0, Y can be 1. And also when X is 1, also we can have Y that's equivalent to 0 or 1. Okay, so for everything we are going to have like this. Since we have two inputs, we are going to have every decision box like this, X and Y. Let's draw them for this one as well. X, 0, Y, one. This is 0, 1, 0, 1. Y. This is also 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. Now from this one you can see, let's see what are the things that's going from A. From A we have 0, 0 goes to A back. So 0, 0 goes to A back again. And 1, 1 goes to C. 1, 1 goes to C. And then we have 0, 1, 1, 0 goes to B. 0, 1, 1, 0 is a common case. That's common case here. This one 0, 1, 1, 0 goes to B. Then B is, let's see what are the things that's going from B. From B, 0, 0 goes to B back again. So let's put it right here. B back again. We can avoid this arrow. B back again. And then we have, if it's 1, 1, it goes to A. If it's 1, 1, it goes to A. and then we have, if it's 0 1 0 0 0 1, this one should be 1 0 because 0 1 1 0 is the common case, that is this one, goes to C. And that's it for B. Now let's see C. C, if it's 0 0, it goes right here back to C again, and if it's 0 1 1 0, it goes to A. If it's 0 1 1 0 is the common one, goes to A. You can also just connect with this wire like this, connect with this one like this, and if it's 1 1, it goes to B. If it's 1 1, it goes to B. And that's it. That's the ASM chart for the given state diagram, and that's how we do that. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn digital logic design 2 or computer architecture, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.